Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Chantal. This is my basic journey. I last left you guys off. We were in Valley of Fire and I went with my friend Megan. And then after she left, I ended up staying there for a few more days and the weather was really bad. It was super rainy and windy and gray and gross. And I finally decided to leave there yesterday and I headed up. I'm actually in North Las Vegas now. I decided to stay at a truck stop and I'm gonna go into town today. I have a bunch of errands to run and then we're gonna go to a free camping spot right outside of Vegas. I'm pretty excited. I haven't been alone in so long, you guys. It feels so weird. I love being alone, but it just is one of those times where I'm like, what do I do with myself? And so I'm gonna go to this free spot that's right outside of Vegas and just hang out there for a few days and then decide what we're gonna do next. But I do have so many errands to do today. We have a lot of things we want to get done when we go into town. So right now we're just chilling in the truck stop parking lot. All right, let's get ready to go. Ready to go, Joey? Just let Joey go potty. And now we're gonna head out of here. And our first stop is going to Groomingdale's, which is a dog grooming place. Oh my gosh, my windows are so dirty. I feel like this doesn't even really help much, but... All right, let's go get your haircut, Joe. And I don't even need to get gas right now because I filled up before I left Overton, and that's only like 30 minutes away, so I'm just gonna fill up before we head to the camp area once we're in Vegas. 15 South, Entrance Freeway. Ooh, it is sunny, Jojo. Too. We are on the highway. We got about 35 minutes. Look, you can kind of see Vegas in the distance to the west of those mountains. Cool. We also went up in those mountains. I don't know if you guys remember my Vegas video from 2 years ago, but we did do all the Vegas things. Went to the Strip, went to Fremont Street, went up to Mount Charleston. We did all the things. And so this trip is not going to be dedicated to doing those kinds of things, but I do need to run some errands in town before we head to our next free camping area. Vegas. So pretty. All the palm trees. Reminds me of Tucson a little bit right now, with all the palm trees and the mountains in the background. I love Tucson. All right, here we are at Groomingdale's. Joe, you ready to get your hair cut? So cute. So I wanted to get here as fast as I can because they open at 8, and unless if you have a cat, they are walk-in only, and then it's kind of first come, first serve. And so if you get them in, like the sooner the better, the sooner they get out. And so even though I got here at 8:06, it's a 2-hour wait. So we're gonna go, the first thing I need to do is get some coffee before I have serious road rage. And then after we get coffee, we have like 5 places that I wanna go. And hopefully we can do it all within 2 hours. Sun is shining. The weather is sweet. Look out, bird. Maybe slower. Time to find the coffee place.
Real cheese. Yes. Cucumber salad.
10 out of 10 recommend this place. I was actually going to drink this inside, but I got up to go to the bathroom and someone stole my spot. So I ended up just asking for it to go and waiting. All right, now we're off to PetSmart. We're gonna go get Joey some food. I know you guys like coming along with me for my errands. So, we're gonna go to PetSmart. Joey didn't get to come this time. I'm sure he's real upset about it. We just won't tell him. Dog food. Oh, Joey. Did you get a new haircut and a new toy? Best day ever. Best day ever, Joe. Fancy boy. So cute. And now we're gonna go to Whole Foods and go grocery shopping. So gray and rainy lately. It just feels so nice to be in the sun. We only have one more stop to make. I'm gonna run into the mall and go to Spencer's to get body jewelry. I was gonna go to this body jewelry shop that they have here in Vegas, but it's closed. It's only open on weekends, so I don't get to go see that, but that's okay. I can get everything I need from Spencer's. In case you guys didn't know, I worked at a Spencer's for 4 years. I miss it. Dang, these mountains are so pretty. Beautiful here. Oh my gosh. And we're only like 15 minutes away from the free camping area. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna have some stellar views, hopefully, fingers crossed. We just finished getting gas, so we're all good. We'll be there in about 15 minutes. Lavelle Canyon Road. Oh, did I miss? No, this is it up here. Lavelle Canyon Road, aka Dispersed Camping. 14-day. So pretty already. And apparently there is places you can camp all up and down this road. So I'm hoping we can find a really nice site. How freaking beautiful is it here? Just wow. It's crazy that it's already 4 o'clock. Like, I left this morning at 7:30 in the morning. It's a long day. And I feel like I didn't even have that much to do. And because I did laundry yesterday, I was going to do laundry today. And so that would have been another like hour and a half. I'm so happy that we're here. It feels like it's just been so long. Oh, and it's beautiful. It is a lot higher in elevation here, which I did not realize. And so it's only like 45 degrees outside right now, but it's beautiful. It started to rain a little bit and it like turned into like almost a snow. And I was like, oh shit, are we too high up right now? But I have the door open. I'm still in like a, I don't know, light clothing. So it's not too bad. And the sun just came out, so it feels warmer now, but, and it's just beautiful. This is a beautiful, beautiful area. I can't wait to go exploring. So I'll be here for a few days, and I do need to get some work done. I have perfect service here, so A+ for that. I did not set up anything. I got half of the stuff put away. I'm just procrastinating. Also, it's been a while since it's just been like you and me. You know what I mean? I feel like we've been with people so often that we don't really have this like sit down and chat time, which is fine. You know, I miss you guys. All right, I need to finish putting everything away and just take a breather for a minute because it's been a long day. Well, you guys, I just looked up the weather, and when I looked it up using my locator, it was still giving me Las Vegas weather. And we climbed pretty high up here. And so I just typed in Lavelle Canyon. I think it's Lavelle Canyon. And it is much colder here. And so it'll get below freezing for the next few nights with the highs of like 48 to 42. Whenever I mention that I'm in colder weather, I always have people who ask me, what do I do if it gets too cold? Do I have a heat source of any kind? Do I turn my car on at all? And the answer is no, because with the windows, I have them cracked maybe like this much. It's not very much, but enough to like let some air in, but it stays very warm in here. And I have the door open right now because it's not that cold yet, but after I shut the door, it'll body heat, dog, it stays warm enough, blankets, and, you know, layer up. I have not had a need to have a heater at all. The coldest weather I'd been in was like 14 degrees in Oklahoma 2 winters ago. And that was like the coldest that I experienced. But even then, I didn't have a heater and I just shut my windows all the way. I was like, who needs air? And then I just like bundled up, really, really bundled. But other than that, it's been fine. Something over like 25 degrees and it's going to be just perfectly fine in a smaller vehicle like this. The bigger vehicles will have more draft in them and might need some more like of a heat source, but for this tiny little van, I mean, it's a minivan, guys. Guess who fell asleep? It's now 7 p.m. and I'm hungry. So I'm going to make these plant-based taquitos, but I have to set everything up still. Don't go in that water, Joe. Found these guys at Whole Foods. Never tried them, but they look real good. Look at how good these look. Yum. Oh my gosh. It freaking snowed. Snow. We have to go see this. It's frozen. Oh my gosh. Joey, look at all the snow is melted already. Look at it, Joe. It was full snow this morning. You wanna go outside? Come on, Joey. Let's go this way. When I looked up the weather, it said it was going to be even colder for the next couple of nights, and I really don't feel like getting snowed in. So I made an impromptu decision to leave Lavelle Canyon, and I'm heading to a new spot. So I am going to end this vlog here, but I hope you guys had fun coming along with me and doing my Vegas errands and finding a place outside of the city to stay for free. And I'm sure during the summer months that it's a lot busier up here and a lot warmer, but it was really cool to experience snow. I'm not gonna lie. It was the first snow I've seen in a couple years since Prescott. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, definitely subscribe below. I'll also put a link for my Patreon in the description box in case you're interested in checking that out and helping support my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!